If you're a student curious about why copper is king in electrical wiring, buckle up. We're diving into the world of resistivity. In the simplest terms, resistivity measures how much a material resists the flow of electric current. Think of it as the opposite of conductivity. Materials with low resistivity, like copper, allow electricity to flow easily. The formula for resistivity is War equals R times A divided by L. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. R is resistance, A is cross-sectional area, and L is length. The key point? Resistivity is an intrinsic property. It stays the same no matter the shape or size of the material. Copper wires are preferred because they have incredibly low resistivity. This means less energy is lost as heat, making them efficient conductors. But remember, aluminum is lighter and cheaper, so it's often used in high-voltage power lines. So next time you see copper wires, you'll know the science making them the top choice.